So to find your online booking link for your booking page, you go to Accept Online Bookings, and it will be in here. If you have not created one yet, you'll need to enter just the first part of it, just where it says Salontastic here, but with your name. If you've already set one and you want to change it, you can go up to Settings here and add a new one. And so if you have it, you click copy this link. It's copied to your clipboard. Then you will put it up in your browser here. That will bring you to your booking page. And if you want to find your individual staff members' direct booking links, you can select on them and copy this browser link here, which is unique to that stylist. And that's it.